This is a recruitment exam with an annual salary of billions. The exam paper turns out to be blank. The candidates are stunned. One woman seems to know the answer. She confidently picks up her pen and starts writing. But just as she writes her name, security guards drag her away, because she violated the exam rules. The examiner said not to damage the test paper. The candidates quickly put down their pens in fear. There are 2 more exam rules. No talking to examiners or security guards. No leaving the exam room. The examiner asks if there are any questions. Everyone is too scared to speak. Time is ticking away. The candidates are getting more anxious. Then Mark suddenly discovers a loophole in the exam rules. No talking to examiners or security guards. But nothing was said about candidates talking to each other. He tentatively speaks to the person next to him. Sure enough, security doesn't stop him. Mark was right. As long as they don't break the 3 rules stated by the examiner, they can do anything. Now they just need to find the answers to pass. Lucy first proposes a theory. The exam paper might have been treated with invisible ink. Special methods are needed to reveal the questions. Then, everyone holds their papers under the light, but nothing appears on the papers. At this moment, a woman named Annie notices. There are lights in the wall recesses too. Maybe these lights would work. David takes a look. These are emergency backup lights. Without hesitation, Mark quickly grabs a chair and smashes the main lights. This method works. Blue light illuminates the exam room. Everyone excitedly holds their papers up to the light, but it still doesn't work. Everyone is disappointed. Then Sarah makes another discovery. Not all backup lights are on. She suggests breaking more. She uses her high heel to break another light tube. This time it's red light. Everyone continues testing, but the papers still show no reaction. Mark suddenly thinks of something. He takes out the eliminated candidate's paper, scribbles on it randomly with a pen, but it's still useless. Then he thinks, if light doesn't work, let's try liquids. Mark tears his paper in half. He asks David to try saliva, then runs to a corner to urinate on the paper. But still nothing works. They don't have much time left. Then Lucy suddenly remembers. What about the security guard? She walks up to the guard, reaches into his pocket and takes out a lighter. Lucy says, if we trigger the fire alarm, the sprinkler water might reveal the questions. Then Lucy holds the lighter near the fire alarm, but the flame is too small to trigger it. Mark takes a test paper and hands it directly to Lucy. Lucy burns the paper, triggering the alarm. Water sprays everywhere. David quickly catches water with his paper, but still no reaction on the paper. Then Lucy suddenly realizes her paper is missing. It turns out she burned her own paper. She was set up by Mark. Then she gets eliminated by security.